Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to download maps on your Tank smartwatch. Welcome to this video. So for downloading maps onto your smartwatch, you have to go to the website. I will share the link in the video description. You can see a video tutorial and there's one option where you download a tool and everything goes automatically, and there's also an option to download it manually. So here you have the maps themselves. When you click on the country, you can download the country of your likings, and then depending on the size of the country, you will have a lot of different folders in your download file. When you download it, it looks like this. You will have a zip file, for instance Belgium, and there were two files inside the Belgium folder. And then you have another folder, Belgium, and then you have the actual files. When we browse back, we also have this CM folder with another folder inside, and then you have actual folders themselves. Let's connect the watch itself. So I put the charger in the USB port. Choose mass storage, and then the watch switches to some kind of USB port. Now let's go to the watch itself. And there it is. And you have to put your downloaded folders into this map. And then map, you have to put it in this location. Here you can see that I prepared. So for Belgium, and the second folder, Belgium CM, with inside only these files and only these files. So for France, it was different. As France is way bigger, there are a lot of different folders. So you have to open it up to see which department is really inside. So I only wanted Rhône-Alpes. So I made one folder Rhône-Alpes and second Rhône-Alpes CM, with inside again only the right file. So when we go back to the watch, map, you can see in the Rhône-Alpes we only have these files, and in the CM folder we only have these files. Now to switch back to the normal charging mode for USB, you can go to the settings, and there's USB mode. We can go to charging mode. Now if we go to maps, let's go to the maps over here. Offline map. I can see I can browse around, but it is still locating me. GPS icon became green, so that means that my location is known right now. So you can see completely zoomed out on the 1 kilometer scale. I can browse around, but I can't go really further than this. I can also zoom in. Then it's on a 20 meter scale. Check the map type, so the contour. You can see there's nothing here. I'm not really sure why there's nothing in the contour map. And another thing that I noticed, I put the maps of France on the watch. I can't check if France is installed correctly. So that's a pity. If you prepare everything before your holiday and you arrive and you notice that something is wrong, you really need your PC to fix that. So I would like to have an option to browse further away and an option to check out if all your maps are installed correctly. So I hope this little video helps. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.